Okay guys, today we are going to learn how to create a formula for Excel. Okay, we learned several formula here. Now, we see this table, okay, there's a question for this data. We need to highlight this first, and then you choose here is format as table in Excel. Okay, I'm David Setiabudi and I'm going to explain you about how to create a formula. Now, format as table first, and then you choose your favorite color. Okay, let me choose this one. Now you see this one is a package code field, pick up from field, deliver to field, wait field, courier field, and deliver. So the package one here delivered this record. Okay, this is one record. This is one record, one record, one record, one record. This is one field, deliver to field, wait field. Whoa, okay, wait field, courier field. Now, record, field, record, 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 field, field, field. Now, this record is saying about package 1, pick up from the head office, deliver to the head train station. It has 500 grams. The courier is Amir and delivered is yes. Now, if you want to click this one, press Alt and Enter. It will go down. Okay. So I'm going to make this one shorter. Now, as you see, this one is already changed to a table. Now, this one, you see this one? We can click this one and we can do ascending sort or descending sort. For example, I'm using this ascending sort. It will go smallest to largest based on weight grams. If I click this one, do the descending based on the courier. Descending is Z to A. Descending based on courier. See, it started from Nadia and ended with Amir. If you want to do a filter, for example, here you don't like David, you don't like me, so you can untick this one. This one is called filter, so you won't see David names anymore. You see, this is a triangle button. It means no filtering, but this one is like this, okay? And it's like a cup, and it means it has something is filtered. So tick here, and then everything won't be filtered. Now, guys, after this one, you see the symbol here is sorted based on courier, and it's descending. Okay, this one is for example. Now, I'm going to give you the formula, okay, how to create a formula. Now, we go here, and then, for example, the question is asking you, we need to create a price. Create a price field next to the deliver. Then you got this price field. Now, in this price field, for example, here, the price is from the weight grams times it with 3, for example. Okay, now the price is equals to, guys, you can click this one. You see it suddenly weight grams like this times with 2, times with 3. Okay, it depends on the question. You need to read the passage very well. Now, here are times with 3. For example, now you are going to times with 2. It will be different. See, everything will be times by 2. Now, guys, you need to read that question well, so you won't make mistake. But for example, here it times with 3. Okay, but there are another way rather than having this add weight grams for the formula. but this one is also correct. But if you can remember, this one is good. But if you don't remember, okay, you can always write down the cell's name. So this one is in D2. So you see, G2 is the answer. G2. You write the answer here is equals to, okay, and then here you see D2. D2 is 0 here. D2 times, using star, times with 3. You see, when it goes here, it becomes D3 times 3. D3 times 3. And this one is D4 times 3. So it will be automatic. But for example, your Excel is stuck, it won't copy to the other one. So what you do is click the first one, okay, and then move your mouse here at the corner of the cell G2, and in the G2 you push it down and you will got this. Okay, now this is the price. Now we do for the logical statement, okay, comment. For example, here in this comment, okay, you need to know that there will be 3 phases. First one is using if, and then here is the logical test. Value if true and value if false. Okay, now I'm going to make, if this one is yes, okay, then if it's delivered, then the price is this one. Okay, just mention whatever is here. So for example, it's 0, then it's 0. If it's 6,000, then mention 6,000 in the H2. H2 will be 6,000 if delivered is yes. And if it's not, see, value if false, okay, then you can say pay later. Okay, now we can do this one here. This is the common mistake. Usually the students write down here straightly as if yes. But which one is mentioning yes? Is it A2? No. Is it B2, which is mentioning yes? No, but it's F2. So you need to write down here, if F2 equals to yes, okay, then you can put comma. The second one is, if it's true, what will you do in this cell H2? Show what? Okay, I'm asking to show G2. Okay, so of course this will show, if F2 is yes, then show 0, whatever is in G2. But the third one is value if false. So I'm writing down here, pay later. Okay, you see it needs a quotation mark if you want to say something. It's a word. This one is not a word. This one is a cell. Okay, so it doesn't need quotation mark. This one needs a quotation mark, like yes, like pay later. This one is a word. Okay, it's a string. So enter. See? This one is not delivered yet. So although it's 6,000, it's not delivered yet, so pay later. This one is yes, and it's so you need, if it's F4 is yes, if F4 is yes, then show G4. Yeah, it's showing G4, which is 750. But if it's not, then say pay later. Okay? I hope you guys understand this logical statement. The next one is, for example, the question asks you to mention the total weight. Total weight. Now, if you want to count all of this total, okay, you need to use sum. Okay, basically you can highlight this. See, it becomes table 4. Table 1, 2, 3, 4. Table 4, weight grams. You can write down like this. Okay. Another expression of this formula is, you can write down like this, sum from DA, B, C, D, D2 until D15. So I'll write down here D2 colon D15. It means it will count sum from D2 until colon until D15. Okay, minimum weight. Okay, minimum weight. So what should we do in the minimum weight? So in the minimum weight, you can put equals to min is the minimum, and here you find the minimum one. Okay, you don't write 0 straightly, but you need to put D2. You can make it lowercase or uppercase is okay until D15. Uppercase, lowercase is okay, it's not case sensitive. Minimum, okay, just shorten it using min, equals to min from D2 until D15. Maximum weight. So what is the maximum? Max. Okay, from D2 until colon D15. Okay, now to count how many yes, how many yeses, okay, in the deliver, okay, we need to count here is using COUNTIF. COUNTIF from F2 until F15. See, it's all covered, comma, yes, using the quotation mark. It will count how many yeses. Look at the formula. Pause this video if you want to see the formula again. Now it having 6 yeses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yeses. Okay. Now guys, if you want to sort this one based on the career's name in ascending, choose this one, sort A to Z ascending. Okay. If you want to filter someone, okay, you can untick this one. See, David is gone, and this one, David is back. Okay, I hope this tutorial is useful for you, and please like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.